Hey everyone, welcome back to Amenny Property TV. Did you know you have just a few seconds to make a great first impression? When door knocking, building rapport is the key to turning conversations into real opportunities. Let's dive into how to do it right. First impressions matter. A warm smile, friendly eye contact, and open body language instantly set a positive tone. People respond to energy and enthusiasm, so bring confidence to every door. People feel comfortable with those who match their energy. If they're relaxed, mirror that. If they seem busy, keep it short but friendly. A little adaptability makes a big difference. Instead of a sales pitch, start with a conversation. How long have you lived here? Or have you noticed the market changes? Open ended questions make interactions feel natural and engaging. People appreciate valuable information. Mention a recent sale or offer a free home valuation. When you give first, homeowners are more likely to trust you and stay engaged. Building rapport takes practice, but once you master it, your door knocking results will skyrocket. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and follow for more real estate tips. Now go out and make those connections.